Hey David, Evan here from LA Mazda. Wanted to take a couple minutes and show you another one of our vehicles. This is our 2007 Mazda 3. I'm going to give you a nice walk around of the inside and the outside. So starting up front, projection headlights with that classic Mazda look. Very sharp, and overall the vehicle is in great shape. Coming down here, there is plenty of tread still left on those tires, as you can see. And I'm going to jump right inside. Very nice interior. You have the white with the tan interior. Great shape, as you can see. A little shot there. I'm going to jump right inside. So on the door, you got all your power options. So your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. On the steering wheel, you have your volume select, your select and mode. And in the center, nice wood grain with your CD player and all the controls for your media. AC and heat with your automatic transmission. And plenty of pockets in the center here, some cup holders, and a nice deep pocket with an auxiliary plug-in back there. But overall, it is nice and clean. Open up the back here as well. The doors are going to have to be open for that. Back here there is plenty of space. Same interior as well. Little shot. Pop this open. As you can see, tons of space back here. So summer is coming. If you are going to bring some camping gear or really whatever, you do have plenty of space for that. I'm not sure if the lighting is doing it justice. Plenty of space. So David, that is our 2007 Mazda 3. Any further questions or concerns, give me a call or send me an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.